Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Fiat 500 instrument cluster. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to protect your dashboard, along with a set of torque screwdrivers, typically a T10 and a T25. Always remember to disconnect your car's negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. This simple step ensures your safety and prevents potential damage. Next, we'll focus on removing the dashboard trim. Using your plastic trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the trim panel that surrounds the instrument cluster. These panels are typically held by several clips, so work slowly and patiently to avoid damage. Some models may also have one or two torque screws hidden beneath the trim, often near the air conditioning controls or inside the glove box, so be sure to remove those as well. With the trim removed, you'll now have clear access to the instrument cluster itself. You'll typically find 2 to 4 torque screws, often T20 or T25, holding the cluster firmly in position. Carefully unscrew these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire instrument cluster forward a few inches. This creates the necessary space to reach behind and disconnect the 1 or 2 electrical connectors attached to its rear. Now, with the electrical connectors detached, you can carefully maneuver the instrument cluster out of its housing. Take your time to avoid scratching any surrounding surfaces. To reinstall, simply reverse the entire process. Ensure all electrical connectors are firmly reattached, the cluster is seated correctly, and all screws and trim pieces are securely fastened. Double-check everything before reconnecting your car's battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.